Okay, in this video I will introduce you to the mini key tool, the VVDI mini key tool, and the application that we need to download in order to start working with this tool. So first of all, this is the mini key tool, the VVDI mini key tool. Basically, if you're going to open the box, okay, we can find inside the mini key tool. Not always going to be in this color, but sometimes it could be red, maybe black, maybe green, maybe in different color, but it's the same tool all the time. So basically we can take it out. And under the cover we can find two cables. So let's take them out, and I'm going to remove the box and we'll put the KeyTool Max right here. Okay, and these cables are a charging cable. Okay, you can charge the KeyTool Max. Okay, where do you charge it? Right here. It's just a regular USB charger, and we do have one adapter connector like this that sometime we're gonna need to use it for one of the remotes. The red remotes, you're gonna understand exactly how to do it, how to use it after. Okay, so basically this is what comes with the VVDI key tool. Now, what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to download the XHorse application. So what you're gonna need to do, if you have an iPhone, so you're gonna do exactly what I do. If you have an Android, you're gonna have to get it from the Android store. Basically, you're going to the App Store or to the Android store. And I'm gonna do cancel, and right here at the search, what you wanna search is XHorse. XHorse. Okay, XHorse, and press search. Okay, as you can see right now, we did find the XHorse utilities with this icon. Okay, and basically I already have this application, but in your case you're gonna have to download it. So as you can see, I also have an update that I still need to do, but basically I'm gonna press on it. This is the application that you need. Okay, basically this is the XHorse application, and I will press update. In your case you're gonna press download. I will press update, so now let it update. Okay, and now I will open the application. Okay, here the application is open, and what I'm gonna do is give you some kind of a guide about the application. Of course, you can read it. It shows you different tools that the XHorse company have. Of course, we need this tool, so let's move forward. And I don't want to try it now, so let's see. I'm gonna go back. Right here, here's the application. I'm gonna press on it, and it doesn't allow me. 1 second. Try it now. There you go. This is, 1 second. This is the application that we need to work with, and as you can see right here and right here, we can move it to the right or to the left. Or to the left, based on the tools. One moment, sometimes it will give you some pop-up windows, as you can see, for different tools that the XHorse company may have. They have some key cutting machine, they have some other tools, and what we need is this VVDI mini key tool. Do you want to know how to program car keys and remotes for all type of vehicles and easily? Well, if you do, then I have the perfect solution for you. Hi, my name is Moshe, and I'm an owner of a locksmith company for over 10 years. I'm an expert when it comes to program car keys and remotes. I created a website full of videos and tutorials that will show you step by step how to program all type of car keys and remotes, from transponder keys to remote head keys to smart keys for vehicles that have a push to start system. By using this website, you will be able to program car keys and remotes easily, and you will be able to be successful on your first try. All you will have to do is follow a few simple steps. Go to the search bar and type the make, year, and model of the car that you would like to program the key for, and press enter. Then choose the correct video from the suggested videos. Make sure that the vehicle make, year, and model appear in the description list below the video, and follow the video step by step. It's that easy. And if you would like to order the key that is being explained in the video, that's not a problem. Just press on the link at the bottom of the description and you can order the exact same key that is being explained in the video. It's that easy. To find out more, go to www.locksmithvideosonline.com. Okay, so there you go. Here you can have it, mini key tool VVDI, and that's exactly what we need. Okay, Now, what we need to do, we need to turn it on, make sure that the battery is on, and we want to connect the application through a Bluetooth connection to the VVDI mini key tool. So what we need to do, you're gonna have to press right here, okay, on the button, and we can see the light on, and we can see that the battery is good. If it's not good, you need to charge it. And we can see that the Bluetooth, we have a Bluetooth with an X next to it. That means that there is no Bluetooth connection right now. Okay, there is no Bluetooth connection. So what we need to do, I want to connect my phone, and you want to connect your phone to the device. And now we have the application open, and we have the device open with the Bluetooth and the X next to it. It means that the device is not connected yet to the phone. And what we want to do, we want to press select. And we have tips. Please allow the access Bluetooth from iPhone, setting privacy Bluetooth. We're going to go through the iPhone, whatever it recommends us to do. Settings. We're going to turn on Bluetooth. And we're going to go to the device. And we're going to press again on the select button. Turn on Bluetooth on cell phone first. Okay, maybe my Bluetooth is off. There you go. As you can see, my Bluetooth is off. So I'm going to turn it to on. I'm going to go again to here, and I'm going to press select again. Select. And as you can see, right now, it's going to try to connect to the device. Let's see, I'm going to press on it. Now it says connecting. And as you can see, right now, next to the Bluetooth, we have the V sign. Okay, we have the V sign. And not only that, it gives us some tips. Okay, all right. Bonus point. I don't care about that, but okay, all right. Okay, all right. Just go through it. Okay, and another way that you can check. So again, one way to check if you connected is through the V symbol next to the Bluetooth device. And another thing is to see that here we have the battery. In this case, it's 100%. Not all the time it's going to be 100%, but when you have this symbol, it means that the device is connected to the application, and now it's ready, and we can start working with it. So basically, this was just introduction about the VVDI, the two cables that come with it, and the application, the XHorse application. And right now, you need to do it. You need to make sure that you have the application ready and you understand how to connect it to the device. And now we can move on to the next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and it gives you a lot of value. And look, I want to tell you something important. I can tell that you're really interested in learning about how to program car keys and remotes. Well, that's what we do in LOCKSMITH Videos Online. So this YouTube channel is just a small fraction of what we actually do. You should really visit our website at LOCKSMITHvideosonline.com. There you could find hundreds of videos and tutorials that will show you step by step how to program all kinds of car keys and remotes. From remotes to transponder keys to smart keys for vehicles that have a push to start system, and much more when it comes to the locksmith field in general and the automotive field. So if you click on the link below this video or go to LOCKSMITHvideosonline.com, you can have access to all of the knowledge that I acquired throughout my 15 years locksmith career, and you can become as professional as I am on your first day and on your first try. Yes, I just said it. You can become as professional as I am on your first day and on your first try. I don't think you can afford to be without it.